Hi, this is Simon from Ghost Raiders, and I'm just going to do a short review this morning on the laser pointer that Andy Bailey from Infraready sent me out. This one is a USB operated laser pointer. It measures about 8.5 inch long and works off of a power bank. So you don't have to put it in a tripod and you don't have to have a button pressed down it at all. The cable in the middle is flexible, so you can pretty much angle it to any angle that you want. And I'm just going to get it connected into this, and then I'll turn the lights off. So it's connected in, and you have to excuse me, I am at work. So that's the grid that it chucks out. The pattern is adjustable by just adjusting the end. And as I say, it's flat at the moment, but you can have it twisted and pointing up if you want. And these are something that Andy Bailey from Infraready will be stocking in his store, so go check it out, and while you're there, have a browse at everything else that he sells. Okay, thank you for watching, and goodbye.